We're going to try an activity on Nearpod. It's a matching game. Match the pairs. So if this bar is in the way, you're going to touch that little blue arrow to make it go out of the way. So I'm going to show you what I'm looking for since there are no words on here. So we're going to do this one together, and then you'll have a chance to do the exact same activity, practice it on your own. So if you're unsure about what all of these pictures mean, listen carefully, and you can always go back and watch this video again. When the Nearpod activity says something to you about the amount of tries that you have had, don't worry. I don't expect you to get these perfect on the first try. I don't care if it takes you 3 tries, 4 tries, 15 tries, as long as you're trying. So when we see all this, we might think this part of the color wheel and this part of the color wheel might go together. So let's click that and let's click that. No. So see, that shows you that that's wrong. So I'm going to tell you what these all mean, and we'll start with what we went over in the video. So the first thing that they talked about in the video were primary colors. Do you remember what primary colors are? Say them out loud. Repeat after me. Red, yellow, blue. So let's find the primary colors. Red, yellow, blue. Well, here's yellow. Here's yellow. Well, blue isn't in here, so it can't be that one. So here's yellow, red, and blue. Red, yellow, blue. See? Those match. They also talked about secondary colors, what happens when you mix primary colors. So remember those are, do you remember what they are? Repeat them after me. Orange, green, purple. So do you see orange, green, and purple? Yep, there's orange. There's green and purple. So we've got our second match. Then they talked about warm and cool colors. So warm colors are like the sun. Oh wait, there's the sun. So let's find some warm colors. I see a lot of orange. So there's no orange in this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. That's kind of a yellow orange. So it must be this one. That's called deductive reasoning, when you can look at things and X out the things that don't match, and then you're left with the correct answer. So warm colors. So let's move on to cool colors. Cool like the ocean water when it splashes up on your skin. So here is some ocean water, some blues, some greens, and some purples. Do we see some blues and greens and purples? Yep, there they go. So we're left with some emotions now. So there is our sad face. There's our happy face. Okay, obviously she looks sad and he looks happy. So warm colors are, typical means usual, so they usually make people feel happy. And cool colors make people feel not always sad, but they can kind of make you feel sad. If you've ever heard the term, are you feeling blue? So that's when you're kind of feeling sad. Now, I disagree that cool colors always make you feel sad, because they really don't always make me feel sad. They make me feel calm. But for this activity, we are going to connect the warm color with the super energetic and happy, and the cool color, the blue. Look, he's blue, he's sad, and she is too. So once you complete all your pairs, it'll tell you how many tries, and then you can move on with the got it and move on to the next activity in the Nearpod lesson. So now it is your turn to try the pairs on your own. Go give it a try.